What's up guys, Sahir120 here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. This video is a continuation from the previous one that I made regarding my future gaming setup that I am working on. So this is the second piece of the puzzle. This is the gaming desk here. So this is how it looks. I have not opened it yet. There's not really a description anywhere, so all I really can do is just open it up and see what is inside. Alright, so it's out the box. Let's lift it up. This is the first time for me and y'all, so pieces. So this is the Bestier, I hope that's how you say it, the Bestier computer desk with LEDs. Now, I did not know this had LEDs. For in the description, it was black and red. I did not know this had LEDs. I don't know if it was on the box or anything. I really did not know. Well, hey, that's a plus, because I truly did not know this had LEDs. So that's a very cool find. Here's some of the pieces that comes with it. I have my own tools, so that should help me, but if I have to use their tools, I will. So this is the cup holder part. I don't want to destroy this styrofoam. And don't mind the clutter. If you see any, I had to rearrange and renovate my whole room to clear out the spot for this desk. So I'm still in the process of cleaning everything up. It was a hassle. I had to rearrange so much in my room, but hey, it is what it is. So put all this to the side. Like I said, LED lights. This is, I think, for the headphones. And I'll show y'all everything with what I have so far set up on the desk. I really thought the desk was wider. It probably will be once I add that on. So just some other pieces. Put that to the side. And it's metal, by the way. Metal or aluminum. And the X braces on the back of it right here. Another piece. And apparently, for what some people say, I have ADHD. So you know how people with ADHD is. They love putting stuff together like puzzles. So I am a huge fan of building stuff. So it's pretty cool. I never ever, you know, accept the fact if I have ADHD. If I do, I do, but I would never acknowledge. So, yeah. Alright. Have some more pieces. I think this is, yeah, this is a feet. So this is one of the legs. This is the other leg. Whoa, yes. Carbon fiber. Oh. I'm sure it's fake, I think, but it feels real. But yet again, I never felt true carbon fiber before, so I can't really say. Ooh, I don't want to scratch anything. Wow. I guess the light strips go here. It feels very comfortable. It's like, it feels like rubber, but it's plastic. I can't explain it. And it looks nice. Front and back. I like it. Put that down there carefully. I don't know what part this is. I think this is the top, maybe. I don't know, but we gonna find out when we put this bad boy together. So is this the last piece? This might be the last piece of the puzzle. Come on, this is a behemoth. Come on now. Come on. Ooh, boy. One hand. Oh. Okay. Yeah, we have a bit of an avalanche going on here. And that's about it. So those are all the pieces just piled up any which way because I don't have room in my small room. But this is the perfect time to pause this video and get everything built, and I will show y'all the review once this hundreds of pieces is put together into a fully built gaming desk. So I shall return. So apparently for the first process, this is the part where your monitor will be on top of. And apparently these are the LEDs. This is only LED. It did not come in a brick, but this is how it looks. This is a little controller. You can change different modes. Is the speed. Makes me feel like a police officer. Okay, Google. Turn off lights. Oh yeah. That'll give someone a seizure. Oh god. I wish it had a rainbow effect. But there it is. You're asking, you shall receive. How about like classic RGB? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Because I was flipping through it earlier and I didn't see this thing. Oh, this is cool. This is wicked, y'all. Ooh, I love it. This is so cool. What was this? This is the mode. There's different modes. Looks like a breathing mode because in some. Oh, yo. This has more settings than I thought. It really does. I didn't notice I had all these settings. But green, blue, red. Was light blue, purple, yellow. Like a some sort of white. What's this? It look like aquamarine. Aqua? Let's see what else. Yeah, these are all the colors. There's multiple colors. It's pretty neat. I can't wait until I get my other stuff. Oh, but yes. Okay, Google, turn on lights. But yeah, these are the lights, and again, this is the speed and the dimness. You hold it down, and it cuts off. So pretty neat. I guess you can plug this into your monitor or whatever else if you don't want a cord hanging, to the wall or whatnot. It's all about preference. But let me continue with the building process. Alright, y'all ready for the reveal? I know I am. Whoa. Don't mind the crap. But this desk is huge. I on the pictures I thought it would be huge, but this is big. And it was pretty fun to put together. It was pretty easy. In some of the pictures it looked like it was two people, because you have to pry this open and keep it open to put these in, unless it'll keep on moving. So it's like it's bowed. You have to bow it, and this may be challenging to do it by yourself, but I got it. I'm trying to let my dinosaur of a laptop boot up, so I can show y'all the mouse working and the pad, and just do a quick little setup so y'all can see. But this old dinosaur of a laptop doesn't work as well as it used to. So have to bear with it. If not, then I have to find an alternative way. But this is how it looks, all cleaned up with nothing on it. No lights on. But I'm about to show you how it looks with the headphones, the mouse pad, and the mouse, and show you how it looks. Alright, time for the view. 1, 2, 3. Woo! I just put this on just to make it look as RGB as possible. It's not that bad. The quality got better. It was fuzzy, but this is cool. I wish this was more RGB, but the color is neat. And yes, it's my laptop. It's a 360. It's an HP Pavilion. I think I got it when I was in high school, so it's not very young. It's very old, and damaged. But I think I mentioned it in the last video that I will be upgrading to a tablet. So this laptop will be retired. I will no longer use this laptop anymore. So hopefully that will come in the future. But yo, I don't have a gaming chair right now, so that's gonna be another video. But this is beautiful. Hopefully when I get my gaming monitor, it's not too, the stand isn't too big and it hangs off of this. But the underlights looks amazing. I mean, look at, yo, and just turn off the TV. It just have no lights on. This is a nice setup. This is so cool. This is amazing. But yeah, this is unboxing and setup of the Bestier gaming desk. If you want this product, I will put it in the description below. If you want this product, it's a bundle. It came with the headphones. Oh yes, it has a holder, has a cup holder over here, if y'all can see it. It's pretty nice. I could have sworn it had another holder for something else. I think that was the only holder it had. But this is very nice. Very nice. I can't really play like games on this laptop because, well, it's slow, and two, I don't have a keyboard, so I can't do anything. But hopefully very soon I'll be in the next video. But thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching my journey of creating and setting up my gaming desk, so I can now play my video games, my personal video games, on here instead of on my ginormous 50-inch screen TV. Here's my PS5 right there. I'm probably gonna put the PS5 over here, so the PS5 Forever Home will be right there. The gaming monitor will be here. You know, the mouse, the keyboard, all that good stuff. So this is gonna be my gaming / workspace, and that's about it, y'all. That's about it. Again, thank you all so much for watching my videos, and I will see y'all in the next one. Ty Hill 120 out. Peace. You.